Olá, seja muito bem-vindo ao meu canal. Não te esqueças, subscreva-te, gosta do vídeo e partilha. The first expression we have today is the bell rang, signaling the end of the first period. This means the bell played, all right? But we don't use played in English, we use rang, ring. This is the past, rang. The bell rang, signaling the end of the first period. The second expression is they couldn't help but chuckle. Now, chuckle means to smile, to laugh, to smile. They couldn't help but chuckle. This means they couldn't stop smiling. They couldn't stop smiling. They had to smile. They couldn't help but chuckle. Next expression is suddenly. Suddenly means de repente, suddenly. Sarah's hand shot up. This means Sarah lifted her hand, but abruptly, right? She lifted her hand, just raised her hand. Sarah's hand shot up. The next expression is cafeteria. Cafeteria. I just brought this to help you with the pronunciation. Cafeteria. But I hope you know the meaning of this. Next expression, widened. Lily's eyes widened in recognition. Like Lily's eyes opened, okay? They were big. She opened her eyes big. Her eyes were widened. Okay, Lily's eyes widened in recognition. Next expression we have is backpack. Backpack is just like school bag. Backpack, school bag. Feeling a wave of relief. Let's translate this. Onda de alívio. Onda de alívio. Wave of relief. Again, we have couldn't help but smile. This means Rosmania couldn't help but smile. Rosmania couldn't stop smiling. Looks like we've cracked the case. Desvendamos o caso. Crack the case. Desvendar o caso. Next expression, recounted. Recounted her morning. She talked about her morning again. She recounted her morning. Next, her eyes wide with worry. Again, we have her eyes wide. When someone opens the eyes big, okay? Normally, we don't use open your eyes big, but open your eyes wide, right? Her eyes wide with worry. Next expression, turned to. Mrs. Rosmania turned to, right? Mrs. Rosmania turned to Lily's classmates. Okay, she looked at them. She turned to Lily's classmates. She looked at them. For clues, okay, clues. Dicas, clues. Next one we have he inquired, he investigated, right? He inquired, he investigated. Scanning the room. I think we don't need to talk about scanning. We use this expression in Portuguese. Lily flipping through her notebook. Lily flipping through her notebook. What is it to flip through your notebook? You know, when you open your notebook fast, paper by paper, but very fast, okay? Flipping through, you flip through your notebook. We call that to flip through your notebook. Next, we have here homeroom. One student recalled. This recalled is coming again, right? One student said, okay? You remembered and said it. Next, we have period. Period in Portuguese in our Portuguese in Mozambique, we say tempo, first period, primeiro tempo at school. Primeiro tempo, first period, primeira aula, first period. Then we have it was an unusual Monday. It was an uncommon, right? Unusual, uncommon Monday. Passing out. Smith began passing out the homework assignments. He began distributing, right? He began passing out, he began distributing the homework assignments. Now, assignments, jobs, the homework jobs. Some students panicked. You know, when you panicked. I think, do I need to explain this? Entrar en pánico. Panicked. Entraram en pánico. Was missing. Her homework was missing. She did not have the homework. Her homework was missing. Mr. Smith asked, a bit surprised. A bit surprised, a little surprised, just a little, a bit surprised. Searching through her backpack. Searching through. She She was looking for, right? Looking for what she was looking for in her school bag. She was looking for something, searching through, looking for something in her backpack, school bag. Other students began whispering, whispering, murmuring. They began whispering, murmuring, sussurrando, whispering speculations. The mystery of the missing homework, I don't think we need to talk about this. Let's figure this out. Figure this out. Let's discover. Let's find out. Let's figure this out. Let's discover.